If you're using Google Forms and still forwarding responses manually to your team, this video will save you time. Today, I'll show you how to set up Google Forms Team Access so your internal team can review responses properly and in real time. Welcome to Form Mailer, and let's get right into the video. First, you want to navigate to Google Workspace Marketplace, click Form Mailer Email Notification, and install. I have a full video that demonstrates how to go about this process in my previous video. Just check it out. Next, you want to go to your Google Forms and set up your form, your either already filled form or you can create a new one. For this video, I have an already filled form. Now you need to add the essential fields you would like to collect from whoever is submitting your form, and also the fields you like to see the team would like to see when they receive an email to respond to as well. So set up your form, and then you want to navigate to add-ons. The email you used in your installation process will automatically be linked to your form mailer. So click on Form Mailer, Manage Email Notifications. On your form mailer, you want to write out the name you would like your team to see whenever they receive an email notification, and the name you would like your respondent, whoever is filling the form, to also receive. For this video, I am just going to use Form Mailer, but when you're setting yours up, you would love to use the name that your team and your customers know you on, so when they receive an email, they automatically see that name as well. The email used is already linked, so this could be your work mail, personal mail, etc. will be linked to your form mailer. Next, we're going to create 2 emails on form mailer. So you want to navigate to email templates. The respondent's mail is what anyone submitting the form automatically receives. So click on respondent. And you would need to set up your email, whatever you would want them to see after submitting a form. You can also insert fields. So this is linked to whatever you put in your form already, whatever you're requesting for on your form. This will be linked to it, and you can easily put this in. So when they submit a form, they also receive whatever they have also submitted in their form. Save changes. The second is your recipients. This is your internal team, customer service, partners, whomever you want receiving the alert from your Google Forms. You also want to set up the email template for them to receive the information being sent by the respondent as well, and everything they would need to proceed with the Google form request. Same process, you can go ahead to change the sizing, including image, whatever you might need, and also insert fields from the form that they might need to proceed on. And all you have to do is save changes. Now you would want to go to your recipient details. So this is where you include the names of the entire team you want to receive this form. You can add in as much as possible. Let's say company.com, and all you have to do is press enter. The email is automatically saved to your list, and save changes. Now we want to proceed to test our form. Setting up your formula is all done, and yes, it is that easy. Now let's test our form. And click submit. And that is it. Your team will automatically receive a mail immediately. Like you can see, it is gotten from Form Mailer, and that is why you have to set up your sender's name on the Form Mailer pop-up. And all the detail that was just put in my mail will also be received: full name, delivery address, products, request type, etc. Everything that you had set up in your respondent form or email will automatically be received when a form is being submitted. Without an add-on, Google Forms can't send professional mails, customized auto responses. This setup helps your team save time, reduces error, and improves communication instantly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your auto response email to your team. Form Mailer includes 10 free emails per month, but to upgrade, all you have to do is go to add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage your account, and you can choose between the Pro version, which is $3 per month, giving you 15,000 emails monthly and 24 hours support, or $30 a year, 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment which video or tutorial you'd love to see next. Thank you.